Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Relaxing White's Chakra Balancing Series second video. In this video, we'll be exploring the ancient system of chakras, which describes the 7 energy centers in our body. Each chakra is associated with different aspects of our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, and understanding them can help us achieve greater balance and harmony in our lives. My name is Hana, and I'm the host of Relaxing White, a channel dedicated to promoting wellness and relaxation. In this video, we'll be exploring each chakra in detail, including their location, characteristics, and even the gemstones and essential oils that can be used to activate and balance them. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of chakras together. As I said before, the human body has 7 main energy centers called chakras that play a crucial role in our physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Now, let's explore the first 3 chakras in more details. Our journey starts with the root chakra. The root chakra is located at the base of our spine, and its Sanskrit name is Muladhara, which means root support. Its associated elements and planet are Earth and Saturn, and its body organs are the spine, legs, feet, and adrenal glands. The emotion associated with these chakras is stability, safety, and security. When this chakra is balanced, we feel grounded, connected to nature, and present in the physical world. On the other hand, an imbalanced root chakra can cause us to feel fearful, anxious, and disconnected from the physical world. The affirmation for the root chakra is, I am safe and secure. Some essential oils that help balance the root chakra include cedar wood, patchouli, and vetiver, while gemstones like red jasper, garnet, and black tourmaline can be beneficial. The sound associated with the root chakra is Lam. Activating this chakra involves visualizing a bright red light at the base of your spine, repeating the affirmation, I am safe and I am secure, and feeling grounded in your physical being. When the root chakra is awakened and energy is flowing freely, it brings positivity in all aspects of our lives. A healthy and balanced root chakra creates a strong connection to our earthly instincts. It improves overall confidence and increases the sense of self-worth. The second chakra we'll be talking about is the sacral chakra, which is located in the lower abdomen just below the navel, and its Sanskrit name is Swadhisthana, which means sweetness. Its associated elements and planet are water and the moon, and its body organs are the reproductive organs, bladder, and the kidney. The emotion associated with this chakra is pleasure, creativity, and sensuality. When this chakra is balanced, we feel creative, expressive, and connected to our emotions. However, an imbalanced sacral chakra can cause blocked creativity, emotional instability, and feeling of guilt. The affirmation for the sacral chakra is, I am creative and abundant. Essential oils like ylang ylang, jasmine, and clary sage can help balance this chakra, as well as gemstones like carnelian, moonstone, and orange calcite. As the center of passion, sacral chakra awakens the power of creation. This allows a person to discover the power of choice and create intimate relationships. Motivated by pleasure, sacral chakra promotes emotional well-being. It plays an active role in our sexuality and the expression of our emotional needs and desires. The sound associated with the sacral chakra is Vam. Activating this chakra involves visualizing a bright orange light in your lower abdomen, repeating the affirmation, I am creative and I am abundant, and feeling connected to your emotional center. The last chakra we will be talking about today is the solar plexus chakra, which is located in the upper abdomen, just above the navel, and its Sanskrit name is Manipura, which means city of jewels. Its associated elements and planet are fire and Mars, and its body organs are the digestive system, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. The emotion associated with this chakra is personal power, confidence, and self-esteem. When this chakra is balanced, we feel assertive, confident, and in control of our lives. On the other hand, an imbalanced solar plexus chakra can cause a lack of confidence, fear of rejection, and feelings of powerlessness. The affirmation for the solar plexus chakra is, I am confident and powerful. Here are some essential oils that can help balance this chakra: peppermint, lemon, and ginger. And gemstones that can be beneficial are citrine, yellow topaz, and tiger's eye. The sound associated with the solar plexus chakra is Ram. Activating this chakra involves visualizing a bright yellow light in your upper abdomen, repeating the affirmation, I am confident and I am powerful, and feeling a sense of personal power and control. When this energy center is open and balanced, you feel confident, powerful, and ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. Other signs of a solar plexus chakra opening include a strong sense of self-confidence and self-worth, a clear sense of personal identity and purpose. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me on this journey through the three first chakras. I hope that this information has been helpful for you to understand each chakra's location and other details. Don't forget to practice the awakening meditation for each chakra to help you activate and balance them. You can check out Relaxing White's Chakra Balancing and Healing series first video, which is dedicated to aura cleanse, chakra awakening, and meditation white noises especially made for each chakra. In the next video, we will explore the remaining 4 chakras, including the heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakras. So, stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of chakras. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on wellness, relaxation, and self-care. You can also find a white noise archive on my YouTube channel, which can help you on your daily meditations, better sleep, and focus while studying. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.